Imagine standing at the gateway of time in the heart of the Balkans, with your destination being Macedonia, a small country that weaves history and nature together in a way that can only be described as magical. Here, you'll find yourself surrounded by unique treasures like Lake Ohrid, one of the oldest lakes in the world, whose crystal clear waters seem untouched by time. In the town of Ohrid, every corner tells a story, from Byzantine churches that date back centuries to cobblestone alleys that pulse with the spirit of history. When it comes to travel costs, Macedonia stands out as one of the most affordable destinations in Europe, making it a perfect choice for budget-conscious travelers. Airfare is often reasonably priced, especially if you're flying in from Europe. Once you arrive, you'll discover a range of accommodations to fit every budget, from cozy, budget-friendly hostels to luxurious hotels, offering outstanding service at competitive prices. Dining out is an experience in itself, with hearty, flavorful meals costing just a fraction of what you'd pay in other European countries. Overall, Macedonia offers an extraordinary experience without putting a strain on your wallet, allowing you to immerse yourself fully in its charm and culture. The weather in Macedonia adds to its appeal, with each season offering its own unique allure. Summers are warm and ideal for outdoor activities, whether you want to relax on the shores of Lake Ohrid or embark on a countryside adventure. In winter, the country transforms into a wonderland for snow enthusiasts, with heavy snowfall creating perfect conditions for skiing and other winter sports in the mountains. Spring and autumn bring a stunning palette of colors to the landscapes, making them the best seasons for hiking and exploring the traditional villages scattered across the country. When you look at tourist reviews, you'll find countless stories of visitors falling in love with the unique charm of Macedonia. Many praise the hospitality and simplicity that make every moment feel special. While some note that English isn't widely spoken, they emphasize how locals go out of their way to communicate and assist. Safety is another major highlight, with Macedonia being one of the safest countries in the region. It has low crime rates and is politically stable, offering peace of mind for all visitors. Macedonia's location makes it relatively easy to reach. There are direct flights to the capital city, Skopje, from many European cities. And once you land, you'll find a small but functional airport. The country's road infrastructure is well developed, and public transportation is convenient for exploring both the cities and the countryside. When it comes to activities and adventures, the possibilities are endless. Take a boat ride on the serene waters of Lake Ohrid. Explore fascinating caves, or hike to remote mountain villages to witness stunning natural beauty. For those seeking a more relaxed experience, Macedonia offers plenty of quiet spots to unwind, from charming countryside retreats to tranquil lakeside resorts. City tours in Skopje are equally fascinating, with iconic landmarks like the Stone Bridge and Macedonia Square, inviting you to dive into the country's history and culture. From a health and hygiene perspective, Macedonia offers reliable healthcare services and clean water in most urban areas, ensuring a comfortable and worry-free visit. The general standard of cleanliness is good, and the country has been steadily improving its infrastructure to cater to international travelers. This means you can focus on enjoying your trip without concerns about health or safety. When it comes to travel restrictions, Macedonia is relatively easy to visit for most nationalities, with minimal visa requirement. However, it's always wise to check entry regulations before planning your trip, especially in light of changing global health guidelines. And here's the surprise awaiting every traveler to this Balkan gem. It's the feeling you take home with you. A sense that you've uncovered a hidden treasure in a world that often feels overexplored. Macedonia is a destination that keeps its magic intact, offering an experience that feels rare and personal. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment about this fascinating destination, and share the video with your friends to inspire them to visit Macedonia soon.